What is your name?
My name is Vlogtober.
Temilayo, okay. So you want to show us how to make commercial egg roll recipe. So what do we have here? Did you measure the flour?
Yes, we have 2 congo of flour.
2 congo, okay. I will measure to know how many cups is in a congo. So this 2 congo of flour. So are you going to measure? What's this? Baking powder?
No, salt.
Salt, okay. You are just
sugar. Okay,
this is sugar.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Let's go see. They are commercial snacks vendor. Oh yeah, now. Okay, you're using milk cup.
Yes,
how many cup of the sugar do you need for 2 congo? 2, okay.
Yes.
See, the egg roll is very nice. It's crunchy. They sell in my church. So I said one day I will come and video to show you guys how the egg roll I enjoy is, okay?
So here.
So this is our grandma. She's cutting potato. Say hello.
Hello.
So she's cutting potato. They also fry potato here. Potato and yam. So yeah, this is the baking powder.
Yes.
How do you measure it?
Yes.
Spoon. Normal spoon, Abby?
Yes, normal spoon. Or I can use.
Oh yeah, now just do it. Equivalent to how many spoons?
2 spoons.
2 tablespoons, right? Okay. So equivalent to 2 tablespoons of baking powder. That's what they need. Yeah, you are very accurate. So the baking powder equivalent to 2 tablespoons. So because this commercial recipe, you don't use eggs, Abby?
Yes, no.
You don't use eggs, so you are going to add salt. 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay. So 2 tablespoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 congo of flour.
So in case of there's no egg,
Or
use
butter. Are you going to add groundnut oil? Okay, yeah. She's adding groundnut oil because she's not using margarine. She's not using butter. Okay, let's say 1 cup of oil. 1 cup of oil. So she's mixing. Okay. And yes, Abby. Yes. So why are you separating some?
The one I will use to wrap my hands.
Okay, so this is the one she separated so she can use it to flour her hands when she's molding the eggs inside. So she's putting the water gradually so she can maintain a perfect consistency. Half congo. Okay, half liter, that's 500 ml. Okay. So for the 2 congo, grandma said we need half liter, that's 500 ml of water. That's what would be enough for this one. So this is it.
So you have to mix it.
mix it properly.
Yeah.
And YouTube by the put maybe Instagram says.
So now.
So you are done mixing it now?
Yes.
So it's very simple. She's actually done mixing. It's just to get the water combined to the dry flour. So this is why she separated this flour, so she can dip her hands inside. So you can see the flour she separated is from the measurement she made. She didn't take extra flour. She's using from the same measurements. So the eggs, hard-boiled egg is ready. Grandma is peeling the eggs. So the oil is hot, Abi?
Yes, the oil is hot.
The same size.
My hand.
Your hand, okay. Your hand. Okay, you can use this mixture to make buns. Yes. So you want to make, wow. Wow, this is double recipe. Oh. She's using it to also make buns. The same mixture. We need to turn them. On a low heat or medium? Is the heat low or medium?
Medium.
Medium.
Yeah.
Because if it's high, if it's just brown, you know, not
just little
heat. Yeah.
So wait for the next.
Yeah, wait for it to done, Abby. Hi guys, so let me officially welcome you all to a new video. I'm so sorry I couldn't make this intro in the first place, so you're very welcome. If this is your first time meeting us, please do well to subscribe. I had to go to the street today to picture this because this egg roll is like my favorite. Whenever I'm driving by, I always like to buy. Okay, it's crunchy, it's tasty, and I've always like known, oh, this doesn't carry a lot of recipes. Like, it doesn't carry a lot of ingredients like we all know. Yeah, for example, eggs, butter, you understand. So I've always like said to myself, one day I'll come and see it so that you all can see it and know that, okay, you can enjoy a very, very tasty and crunchy egg roll without a lot of ingredients. So as you can see, she replaced the margarine. She replaced margarine with vegetable oil. Okay, and all you need that one to do is just to bind it up, and you can see it did the work. Like, this egg roll is top notch in my area. They sell in our church as well, and we look forward to getting it every Sunday. And it's so crunchy, it's tasty. You can have it with any drink. So I'm just showing you guys how it's done. If you are into snack business, this is very, very nice. Like, you don't need too much, and it came out really nice. You can see for yourself. Look at the crunch, look at everything. It's so fine. It doesn't like break. You can see it doesn't break. Everything came out so beautifully. So I have you guys in mind. I always want to show you guys easy way to go into these businesses. I always want to give you guys good recipes to help you all scale through in this business. So this is one you need to try. I actually had to take permission from grandma, and she gave me permission, and yeah, this is it. She permitted me that I can show you guys, I can share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Okay, see, I'm going to open this up so that you guys can see how the inside is. Okay, it's cooked so well, it's tasty. Just watch till the end because my friend is going to taste it and tell you guys sincerely how it is. It's so enjoyable. Like, I didn't even expect so much, as in so less of a recipe to give us such a beautiful and crunchy egg roll. Guys, look at it, well cooked and looking good. Okay, so do well to copy this recipe and use in your business because grandma has given us the go ahead. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of the video.
Yummy.
Remove her from paper.
I don't want me to touch my own.
Show us the inside.
Sorry, what? It's very crunchy on the outside.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'm here to the guys.